नमस्ते शारदा देवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनि त्वामहं प्रार्थे देहि विद्यादानं च देहिनि सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षि पद्मकेसरवर्णिनि नित्यं पद्मालये देवी त्वामां पाहि सरस्वती आयुर्देहि धनं देहि विद्या देहि सरस्वती समस्त कुशलं देहि देहि मे परमेश्वरी विद्यादि देवता साक्षात् धन्या देहि सरस्वती यत्प्रसादेन काव्यानि कुर्वन्ति कवे सदा.
नमस्कारो कोंकणी शिकतल्यांक स्वागत. आजी आम्ही आमगेले खाण आणि जेवण हाजे बदल आमगेल भाषेंतू कशी उलोवचे म्हणू शिकया. Today we will learn about our food and how to use Konkani terminology to describe our khana आणि जेवण. First we will talk about taste. Ruchi. I repeat, ruchi. We have description for various terms for our ruchi. Goda is sweet. Goda is sweet. Godsani is sweetness. We describe जिलेबी गोड आसा ताका मस्त गोडसाणी आसा. गोड is sweet. गोडसाणी sweetness. तीख hot spicy. तीख hot spicy. तिखसाणी is spiciness. तिखसाणी. तीख तिखसाणी. कोडू bitter. कोडसाणी is bitterness. कोडू कोडसाणी. आमशे सार. आमसाणी sourness. आमशे आमसाणी. We describe something bland as cheppe. हे मस्त cheppe. I repeat, cheppe bland. Meat is salt. Meat salt. Mitsani is salty. Mitsani salty. I repeat, goda tika kodu amshe cheppe meat. Similarly, godsani, tiksani, kodsani, amsani, mitsani. Also, we describe the character of food in ruchi, like huna hot. Huna hot. Thanda is cold. Thanda is cold. Maka huna chadi is huna hot. Maka thanda udadi. Thanda cold. Crispy is kurkuri. Crispy kurkuri. He chakli kurkuri asa. Kurkuri crispy. Mawa is soft. Oladdu mawa sa. Mawa soft. Opposite ghatti is hard. Ghatti hard. So repeat, huna thanda kurkuri mawa ghatti. So words we learning goda, tika, kodu, amshe, chappe, meeta, huna, thanda, kurkuri, mawa आणि घट्टी. Next, तुमका थोडे तानीक करवे. तुमका थोडे तानीक कोरवे. तुम्ही is you. तुमका is for you. थोडे is a little. थोडे तानी का drink. कोरवे, can I make you a drink? तुमका थोडे तानी का कोरवे. Interestingly, तानी is thirsty. भूका is hunger or hungry. मक्का तानी आयल्या. I am thirsty. तानी thirsty. मक्का भूक लागल्या. I am hungry. पी to drink. पिवचे is to drink. Pee, drink. Piwche is to drink. Tanika is also used for breakfast. To tanik pilwe is have you had your breakfast? Haun cha pitta, I will drink tea. Tu cha pee. Tu cha pee. हाऊ चा पिता. ती चा पिल्लिवे. ती चा पिल्लिवे. So I repeat. तानी thirsty. भूका hungry. तानिका or तानी पिवचे is to eat breakfast. हाऊ चा पिता. I will drink tea. Next, रवीला घराक दोन दोस्त आयले. रवीला घराक to his house. दोन two दोस्त friends आयले. I repeat, रवीला घराक दोन दोस्त आयले. रवीन विचारले. Ravi asked. Ravi asked. तुमका for you. थोडे तानिक कोरवे. तुमका थोडे तानिक कोरवे. दोस्तानी friends. म्हणले said. दोस्तानी म्हणले नक्का. Nakka. Please note that it is cultural to say no for an offer of a drink for the first time in our culture. Dostani म्हणले नक्का. रवीन सांगले थोडे करता. I'll make a little. थोडे करता. You are expected to ask your guests again even if they say no. रवीन सांगले थोडे करता. अडना थोडे चा कर. Yes, make little tea. अडना थोडे चा कर. I repeat. रवील घराक दोन दोस्त आयले. रवीन विचारले तुमका थोडे तानिक कोरवे. दोस्तानी म्हणले नक्का. रवीन सांगले थोडे करता. अडना थोडे चा कर. रवीन खावच्याक कसल खाल्ले. What did Ravi eat? खावचे eat. पिवचे drink. खावचे पिवचे. खावच्याक to eat. पिवच्याक to drink. हाऊ खात आसा. I am eating. हाऊ खाता. I will eat. हाऊ खाल्ले. I have eaten. I repeat. रवीन खावच्याक कसल खाल्ले. खावचे eat. पिवचे drink. खावच्याक to eat. पिवच्याक to drink. हांव खाता आसा. हांव खाता. हांवें खाल्लें. म्हाका खावच्याक इडली naka. I do not want idli. Idli is a South Indian lentil cake. Makka khauchaka idli naka. I do not want idli. Ravi polo khavanu chapillo. Ravi polo khavanu chapillo. Polo is dosa or lentil pancake. Ravi polo khavanu chapillo. Please note the term for kitchen in Konkani is based on cooking room. Ranche is cooking. Kudi is a room. Ranchi Kudi is cooking room or kitchen. So kitchen is Ranchi Kudi. We repeat Kauche, Piuche, Kauchaka, Piuchaka. How Katasa, how Kata, how Kalle, Makka, Kauchaka, Idli Naka, Ravi, Polo Kaunu, Chapillo. The word for kitchen is Ranchakudi. Next, an episode of Ravi Cha Angadi Gello. In Konkani, Cha Angadi is a term used for a small restaurant. Cha Angadi literally translates to a tea shop. Ravi Cha Angadi Gello. Ravi Ajja Barshi Cha Angadi Gello. Ravi went to a tea shop with his grandfather. Ravi Ajja Barshi Cha Angadi Gello. Tumka khaucha kasa devu? Tumka, for you. Khaucha to eat. Kasa devu? What can I give? Khaucha kasa asa? What have you got to eat? Khaucha kasa asa? Masala dosa, pancake. Idli, lentil cake. Vada, povu, curry, ani uppittu. I repeat, masala dosa, idli, vada, povu, curry, ani uppittu. Amka ek plate idli di. Amka ek one plate idli di. Ravina idli ani chutney khalli. Ravina idli ani chutney khalli. Ravi ani tagal ajja. Ravi ani tagal ajja. Idli khawnu coffee pille. Ravi ani tagal ajja. Idli khawnu coffee pille. The episode Ravi Cha Angadi Gello. Next, about Javana. Javana is a term we use for meal or lunch. Javan Jallive, have you finished lunch? Javana Jallive, have you finished lunch? Javan Kellive, did you have lunch? They mean the same. Did you have lunch? Javan Kellive, or did you finish lunch? Javan Jallive. Even though Javan is a meal, it is wrong to say Javan Khallive. You do not eat meal. You should ask Javan Jallive or Javan Kellive. I repeat, Khauche, eat, Khauchaka, to eat, Piuche, drink, Piuchaka, to drink, Javche, to eat a meal, Javana is a meal, Javche is to eat a meal, Aji Javanaka kasane, or Aji Javanak kasan kelle, what is for lunch today? So we repeat, Javana, Javan Jallive, Javan Kellive, Aji Javanaka kasan kelle. I'm going to introduce some terms we use to describe various dishes commonly used in Konkani cuisine. Though in English we call many of these by common name of curry, each of these have special taste and way of cooking. Ambata, Shita, Shita is cooked rice, Shita, rice, Randai, usually a vegetable curry, Randai, Upkari, the stir-fried vegetables, Upkari, Sambaru, Saru, Dalitoya, Ghashi, Amti, Valvala, Rosu. I repeat these words: Ambata, Randai, Upkari, Sambaru, Saru, Dalitoya, Ghashi, Amti, Valvala, Rosu. In addition, there are pan-fried or deep-fried items like Verdi, Burje, Podi, Happolu, Bhaji, Nonche. Nonche is pickle. Verdi, Burje, Podi, Happolu, Nonche, and Bhaji. Next, we go to some commonly used items in our cooking. Alle, ginger. Alle is ginger. Alle, mirsangi, chili. Mirsangi, chili. Narlu is coconut. Narlu is coconut. Grated coconut is called soy. Narlu is coconut. Soy is grated coconut. Amsani is tamarind. Amsani, tamarind. Limbio is lime. Limbio, lime. Kottambari pallo, coriander leaves. Kottambari is coriander. Pallo, leaves. Kottambari pallo, coriander leaves. Repeat. Alle, mirsangi, narlu, amsani, limbio, kottambari pallo. And some vegetables. Kadgi is breadfruit. Kadgi, breadfruit. Bhendo, okra. Bhendo, okra. Gosale, ridge gourd. Gosale, ridge gourd. Vaingana, aubergine. Vaingana, aubergine. Tendle is ivy gourd. Tendle is ivy gourd. I repeat: Kadgi, Bhendo, Gosale, Vaingana, Tendle. A few more. Kottambari, coriander. Kottambari. Jeera, cumin. Jeera, cumin. Miryakana, peppercorn. Miryakana, peppercorn. Haldi pitto, turmeric. Haldi pitto, turmeric. Pitto is powder. Haldi, turmeric. Sukke, mirsangi, dry. Sukke is dry. Mirsangi, chili. Dry chili. Sukki mirsangi. Repeat: Kottambari, jeera, miryakana, haldi pitto, sukki mirsangi. Add a few more. Many Konkani dishes have tempering or panna galche. Panna, tempering. Sasama, used for panna. Mustard seeds. Sasama, mustard seeds. Hingu, asafoetida, hingu, karibevu, curry leaves, also called panna pallo. Panna is tempering, panna pallo, curry leaves. Tupa is ghee. In the picture, we have drumsticks and curry leaves. I repeat, panna, sasama, hingu, panna pallo, tupa. Today, we learned use of terms, description of our cuisine, and some common items we use in cooking. धन्यवाद. आम्ही आणि मेळ्या.